What if your hotel's guest guide could do more than just list amenities? With MAPOG, you can build an interactive map that lets visitors explore your property, from pools and restaurants to event halls, visually, clearly, and right from their devices. Head to story.mapog.com and click Create New Map. Give your project a name like Hotel Amenities Guide and write a short description. Use the search bar to find your hotel by name, or, if you have latitude and longitude coordinates, enter them directly for precise positioning. Zoom in to frame your property exactly. Go to Process Data, then Georeferencing. Upload your hotel's layout file, JPG or PNG. In Input Selection, pick at least 3 to 4 control points from the layout and match them with the real-world map. Rotate, scale, and adjust opacity until it aligns perfectly. Lastly, save it. Then click Add Story, add manually. Drop a point marker for each amenity, like pool, gym, restaurant, conference hall, or kids' play area. Add the amenity's name, a short description, and an image. Go to Location Type Management and create a type like Hotel Facility. Add custom fields such as operating hours, capacity, accessibility features, reservation requirement. Click Save so every amenity has structured details guests can search and filter. Under Point Customization, assign icons or colors for different categories: dining, recreation, rooms, events. Add labels for instant recognition. Adjust opacity so your base map and markers are both visible. When your map is ready, go to Share and Publish. Choose visibility, public for guest access or private for internal use. Share via link or embed it directly on your hotel's website. With MAPOG, your property layout becomes more than a static floor plan. It's a digital, interactive guide that enhances guest experience, streamlines navigation, and even supports staff operations. You don't just show amenities, you map an unforgettable stay. Need help? Drop us a line at support@mapog.com.